Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. These are 2 boxes from one of my wholesalers that we get gifts for our online store. So if you're looking for something, you definitely want to keep an eye out on this box. I have some cool, interesting things in here that are going to be available on Hooked on Pickin, so go right there to get them. That's how you purchase them. And so I'm going to show you each and every item in both of these boxes.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
So this is a wholesaler that I've purchased from before, and I usually get my knives from them, but we've been really kind of branching out and seeing some more things. So look at this massively huge box. I know one thing that's in this box that I ordered. So if you are looking for something specific that is kind of in this genre, or you're curious about something, always contact me. I'll see what I can find, because I did special order a few items for one of my customers that they couldn't find anywhere else. And you know my prices are great. And so they're like, hey, can I order from you at your, and see if you can find this, because it's a lot cheaper than if you tried to find it on your own. And because I can buy from a wholesaler because of my reseller's license, I can just give them that much better of a deal. So we're going to open this huge one and see what we got inside. Okay, so awesome. I'm super excited about this because the digital hats were really popular. My father-in-law actually already bought one, so we'll have one less in this available on the store. So he already bought one because he wanted one so much, and so we've got all these plus the green hats.
Can you take them out of the plastic?
Yeah, I can. Paul is here too.
Hello, everyone.
The voice from behind the camera. So here's the green one, and so if you want one of these, just go
straight to I think we only had one
Pickin.
left before the box arrived today.
Right. And then here are the digital ones.
We were totally sold out of the digital ones. Those went fast.
These went super fast. The digital camouflage. The reason they're not digital, they don't light up or anything. They're digital pattern is why I call them digital ones. So yeah, so those are super neat. So we've got tons of those now because they went like hotcakes, and we're only selling them for $10 on the store. And so they're a really reasonable price for a ball cap. Oh, just so you know, every single one is basically adjustable fit. It's Velcro. And so you can make it fit whatever size, head you need, and it's really nice and lined on the inside. So even the digital camo ones are like that too. So I've got all those. And then what else? Oh, look, we have a magazine to find some more cool stuff. So I'll be perusing that tonight. Ooh, I already see some cool stuff I want to shop for. All right, this is a new one, I think, that we got. Colorwood Bowie. Look at this one. That is a heavy-duty knife. So there's a little protection thing on the tip of it. But look at that beautiful handle. This is a much larger knife.
Yeah, this was a request to put on the store, so I tried to find that.
Yep.
Hopefully you'll enjoy it.
And it comes with a little leather holder.
Yep. It comes with a leather sheath.
Yep. Here, let me flip it this way. But this is a much larger, I don't know how long
It's a large knife.
It is a large knife. I wonder if it says Colorwood Bowie knife.
I cannot remember.
I have my invoice.
I'm guessing 8 inches, maybe?
Maybe.
8, 9 inches, the
I don't
blade
remember.
itself.
But we'll call it the same thing, a Bowie knife. So if
Bowie
you're
knife.
looking for it.
David Bowie.
So, fun. All right. So that's a really nice long one. And we don't normally... Where's the cover? What do I have to do with the lid to this knife?
Try underneath the box.
Nope. I don't know what I just did with the lid. Oh, it's... I thought there was another one sitting there. It's not. I just set it in between. All right, so we have a bunch of these. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So not very many, but we're definitely excited about a new item on the store. And they're very usable, very sharp. You can sharpen them, all of that. What is in this one?
Cannot remember.
Oh, these are our journals.
Oh, yeah.
So these are...
Oh, my goodness. That looks really nice.
Yeah, so these are called Celtic leather journals. So they come with a little clasp. Let me hold it lay it down so you can kind of see.
Look at that. Love the cross.
They are actual leather, but we had them with the cross on them, and then they've got kind of little leather seaming there.
That's a perfect little journal, devotional journal.
And it's got kind of the
that's
rough
nice.
edge paper, which is really fun.
Try to open it. Let me see how it opens.
This.
That is cool. Very, very cool.
It feels very much like old parchment, too.
Oh, yeah. It's not just like regular paper.
Yeah. It's textured.
Yeah. That is really neat.
I love this. So.
It'll make a good Christmas gift, too.
Yes, absolutely. So I love these.
I can't remember how many of those we bought.
Well, let's just check it out.
Looks like 6, maybe. If we only ordered 6, I bet you they go pretty quickly.
Yeah, I think I ordered 12, but I can't
12?
remember.
Might be some in that other box over there.
Could be. So we have that one. And it comes nicely boxed up so that it doesn't get ruined in shipping and all
Go to Hooked on Pickin quick.
Right? They're going to sell out fast. So we got 1, 2, 3. There are 6 right here, so I may have only ordered 6 of the journals. Yeah, I did only order 6. Now I'll probably be regretting that. All right, what's in? Oh, this was, okay, so this is not going to be for sale in the store. This is a custom order.
Look how long that...
From a friend, for a friend. Do you want me to open it up?
No, don't open it.
All right, so this is actually a giant axe, and this is exactly what it looks like.
Yeah.
So it's like a 31-inch axe.
Yeah, we got contacted, said, hey, is there a way you can come up with an axe of some sort?
Yes.
So
then, I will not be opening this because this is for a custom order from a customer. Yep. So we're going to set that aside. So if you want anything like that, you can always contact me and I'll see what I can come up with. And I usually will shoot you pictures and back and forth communicate. Ooh, these are going to be for sale on the store. So these are bifold crocodile wallets. So there's multiple different colors too.
That's cool.
So we've got different styles, and there'll be a variation of the color. So like these would be considered a lighter brown. This one is a black.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to see
they were different leathers also. It's not just all crocodile.
Yeah.
I think like this is supposed to be that kind of style.
But they are genuine leather.
But then there was supposed to be a couple other different kinds. I can't remember exactly of the different leather styles. Yeah.
Yeah. But they're all bifold wallets. So they'll be either a light brown or a black crocodile leather style wallet. So we have a bunch of those. And what is in this one? I don't remember what's in this one.
Oh, more.
These? Is it the same knife?
Ah, boy, I cannot remember.
It's packaged differently.
Is it?
Yep.
Same knife.
Yes.
So we must have got 12 of those.
We must have got 12, yeah. It's just the other ones
good.
were sitting outside the box. Okay, cool. So we have 12 of those. All right. So
yeah. Now we have a long box.
Now we have a long box, which comes in handy from time to time. All right. Then we're going to open the little box and see what's in the little box. This, I think, might be a few of the things that we're replenishing because we're selling out of them so fast on the store. But we want to make sure we have enough. Just as a teaser for you, we will be having a Black Friday sale. We won't have a live stream fire sale, but we will be having a Black Friday sale on the Hooked on Pickin store. So you're going to get a percentage off. So these are popular. So we ordered a bunch more of our American flag masks. And I am in talks with a wholesaler to make some Christmas masks. And they're going to be the no fog shaped, no metal in it, but no fog shaped masks. She's actually personally making them. So she's actually going to be my manufacturer for the Christmas ones. And we'll be able to do other seasons as well. Then we've got pepper spray. There's 2 of them here. Pink ones. So this is perfect for kind of just protecting yourself as a lady, feeling a little bit more confident walking around.
Right.
So there's that.
A lot
bunch of those.
A lot of college
girls carry
girls,
that. Yeah. Oh, I think this is one of my other special orders for that one customer.
Oh, yeah.
It's taped. So this is a marine knife.
Yeah. If you know any Marines specifically, this is a really nice. It has the Marine logo, the official logo that's
Eagle
on
Globe,
there.
The Eagle Globe and Anchor is what it's called. Yep.
It looks really sharp.
And it's a really nice knife. So I don't want to open it. And I think here's the other one she ordered.
Oh, yeah.
For her husband.
Yeah, look at that.
And this one is, I think, 12
bayonet.
inches long. Is that what it says?
Don't know.
It's an M9. And this reminds me of what Marines affectionately call the K-bar. It's similar to that. So those are my 3 special orders for my customer. So she's super excited that we were able to find those at a good price. And so what else is in here? I'll look for what else is in here. So we've got a few new things that are going on the store. This one, I think we might already...
Can't remember.
We
have a small multi-tool from that brand.
Yeah. Stainless steel multi-tool that looks like this. Oh, this is our American flag little case.
Look at
it looks
that.
Like this.
Pretty case.
So it's not a folding knife. Like a lot of our other knives are folding knives. But this one has a nice solid... Can you take it out of the plastic? Sure. Wasn't sure if you wanted me to or not. And it also has a hole here. So if you want to put a string on it, you can. But look at that.
Look at that.
And it's not really red. It looks red, but it's not really red. It's actually the wood grain.
Yeah. I like that.
And it comes with the holder.
America.
That's
a sharp looking knife.
It's also sharp.
It's
very sharp. It is very, very, very sharp.
It's a sharp looking knife.
It's a sharp knife. Sharp knife. That's how you say it. Sharp. All right. So those are amazing. So we got a bunch of those. Let me see how many we got. We got 12.
12 of those?
Yep. So those are awesome.
I could see those going pretty well. Hey, listen.
This is what you do. You buy your American knife with your American mask.
That's right.
That's what you do. And your flag hat.
Yes.
All right, what are these? These are labeled 2 different kinds, I think. Nope, they're the same. Same number. So this is going to be the same knife. 6 pieces, it says. We order these, and it takes a while to get to us, and so sometimes we forget what we ordered.
It's a mystery.
It's fun for us to open. Oh, I know what this is.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
It's a gift tin. And inside,
that'll go good for Christmas.
A folding knife.
Don't tread on me. That's an old flag. It's an old flag.
Yep. So...
If I'm thinking right, that was a colonial flag at one point. It's probably gone through some changes a little bit, but very neat.
So it's got that cool emblem there. It's even got it on this side.
That's neat. Very good.
So we've got 12 of those. So a lot of cool new things to be found on the store, so make sure you check them out, as well as our old faithfuls, such as the Farmer's Toothpick, the stainless steel multi-tool, the Renaissance daggers. All of those things are still available on the store. And like I said, be on the lookout for those new Christmas masks that will be coming soon. I think she's supposed to ship them sometime this week, and so we'll be putting those on the store as well. So I'm super excited about that. And like I said, if you would like to special order anything, or you're kind of curious about something like, hey, I want a 12-inch knife, or I want a foldable knife, or I want a cute little dainty knife, or I want one with, they've got every branch of the service you can think of on most of their knives. And what I'll simply do is just email you back and forth with some photos of things that I can get that you'd be able to purchase. So I am not opposed to special orders for you guys, and I'm super excited about it. So go and check out the store, though, because we still have a bunch of things that are still very unique, and we do have a knives category on the store. So check that out if you're interested in those specific things. But hopefully it was fun to kind of look at all of these items, and you can go right to Hooked on Pickin, no G on the end.com, and find all of these available for sale right now. So hopefully you guys had fun watching this unboxing of very unique items, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you're not yet a subscriber of Hooked on Pickin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know anytime I put out a video. We had some awesome things that we unboxed in today's video, but other things you might not be aware of that we have available is we've got some toys, we have perfumes available, we have charging cables. We've got various different things that you can buy for your loved one at Christmas or birthdays or any time of the year. So go ahead, go to hookedonpickin.com and find all the unique items. Everything you see behind me is actually for sale right on the store.